Linet, unaanza.
His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Honorables, my Bishop Dr. GITAHI, Reverends, Pastors, young pastors, and priesthood members. Praise God. Amen. Praise God. Amen. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Our Prezo, aka Hasla Mwenyewe, is in the house. Rais wetu mpendwa, tunakushukuru na kukupongeza kwa kazi nzuri unayofanya. Kweli wewe ni mtu wa kusema na kutenda. Kweli wewe ni muungwana. Ama namna gani, my friend? My Prezo, you are a survivor, a conqueror, and an overcomer. You are a strong believer of God, always grateful to God and supporting God's work in the churches. You are a good example to all Kenyans, a man who always is busy fulfilling the mandate of the UDA, the bottom up. Moving from country to country to look for job opportunities and to unlock investment opportunities and make Kenya a better place for us and future generations. My Prezo, do not be scared by your enemies. Be strong and fearless. All power and authority belongs to God. He will strengthen you and always guide you. He made you the fifth and He will always look after you. My Prezo, sometimes I've seen you sad, I've seen you worried, I've seen you weeping, I've seen you kneeling down, but you are a strong man. My Prezo, always be courageous and supportive to all Kenyans. May we have a handshake, please? Thank you.
Appreciate Linet Wambui.